Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I've been scouring the internet for some of the best companies and the best deals, and LiTime has a lot of good things going on, and we feature them often because of that. Right now, LiTime's 12V 300Ah battery is a really good deal going on. That's a huge amount of power. But if you're in a hurry and just look for a discount, feel free to use promo code AdventureTech. Get an additional discount. They just increased the discount amount as well. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So let's take a closer look at LiTime's 12V 300Ah LFP battery for RV and other setups. Okay, let's highlight the outstanding features of LiTime's 12V 300Ah battery. It's got advanced EV grade LFP battery cells, which are amazing. These are going to last a very long time for you, 4,000 plus cycles at 100% depth of discharge, meaning you can charge and recharge these over 4,000 times before you even notice a battery capacity difference. This is not like the battery on your phone. These are LFP batteries. These are actually a completely different battery chemistry, which is good to mention because they are a lot safer than lithium-ion batteries. These are lithium iron phosphate batteries, and the chemistry is actually inexplodable. It is still a lot of energy density, so it can get hot, but it is not explodable, and there are issues with that like you do see with lithium-ion batteries. I do not use lithium-ion batteries, and I do not recommend using lithium-ion batteries. I always wondered why we're still using them in our phones. LFP batteries are smaller and lighter. It's a quarter of the size and 2/3 lighter. So not only is it giving you more power, but it weighs less. It's an amazing combination, giving you huge energy density. It's got built-in 200Ah BMS, which is battery management system. It's a bunch of different safety mechanisms to keep this battery safe, running for a very, very long time for you. Basically making it foolproof and maintenance free. You got 3,840 watt hours of energy, and you can put out 2,560 watts, which is very important to note because a lot of 12-volt batteries cannot put out that much power. You got a huge inverter, you're thinking about putting out some serious power. It doesn't matter because smaller batteries just can't put out that much. You need a bigger battery to get higher continuous output wattage. You can get up to 61.44 watt hour energy, which is basically 3 or 4 normal days of power use. You got your IP65 waterproof and dust-proof cover. These are ideal for almost any application. Like I said, maintenance free, and it's been rigorously tested with all kinds of great certifications. Built to last with EV grade cells. EV grade LFP cells are designed for superior performance and longevity. These cells provide over 4,000 deep cycles at 100% depth of discharge, churn they can use extensively without significant degradation. They boast a service life of more than 10 years, and realistically, you can use them continuously after that as well, making them a reliable choice for long-term applications. These cells are environmentally friendly as well, being green and non-toxic, giving you a little bit more peace of mind, and it aligns with sustainable energy practices. And you got them multiple certifications, keeping your mind at ease as well. You got the 200Ah BMS Protection. It's got a 200Ah BMS built right in. It protects you from overcharging, over discharging, overheating, overcurrent, short circuits, all kinds of cool stuff, making this battery safe and last a long time for you. And this has got low self-discharge rate, meaning that if you got it in storage, it's only going to lose about 3% of its battery per month. I've actually tested this, and these batteries do last a long time. It's so surprising to come back to a battery that's been sitting in storage and see that it still has a lot of power in it. And this is lighter and more usable energy. You can fit it in smaller places. It's lighter, it's going to give you more power. You're not going to have to deal with a bunch of big, heavy lead acid batteries. It's insane that more people aren't using these batteries. They are definitely superior. And if you get at least 4 of these, you can build 51.2 volt battery banks. You can use these for your 48 volt inverters or upgrade your MPPTs to 48 volts, giving you a lot more solar power. The types of things that you can power with this battery are pretty much everything, because you do have a huge continuous output, plus it can handle higher output for short amount of time, so you can handle air conditioners, microwaves, washing machines, different things like that, plus coffee makers. Believe it or not, things like coffee makers use a lot of power initially and actually hard to get going on a lot of inverters. Basically, you got a lot of different ways you can charge these. You can hook them up to your solar panels, MPPT, alternator, DC to DC charger, or if you have AC hookup, you can hook it up through the chargers or through the generators. And since all of these batteries are just so well built, you don't have to worry about hooking a bunch of other batteries together or having wires exposed or anything like that. You have 300 amp hours all built into one battery. You have 2 posts to deal with, and that's it. These are ideal for your RV, off-grid solar setups, heavy-duty trucks, home storage, marine, and overlanders. And I'm just going to kind of finish off the review with mentioning that LiTime services are great. They have all these great certifications, 10 plus years service life for these types of batteries, and that comes with a 5-year warranty. When was the last time you bought something with a 5-year warranty? These guys are confident in this battery, giving it to you for a really reasonable price, lower than I've ever seen it before in my life. So it is a good time to invest in something like this, and you can always use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over here, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for free though, Adventure Tech, or if you're into the unboxing and the hands-on stuff, subscribe to my other channel, Adventure Tech 2.0, where I get more into hands-on situations. Don't forget, click that bell icon though, and you can be one of the first people to get over here and hear about the news.